Most importantly, my other passion is science. My background is in human genetics, and I've been involved in stem cell. But before I go further, I really like to thank Steve and Michael here for inviting me today to come and talk to you a little bit about stem cell and what is happening in our field. Also like to thank the crew from HBN, including Susan and Robert, for coming in and recording this talk. I've been Michael has given me about 17 minutes to talk. He basically said, I want you to finish this between 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll move through the slides. I have about 45 slides. If I move through the slides fast, if any of you is interested, I'll be more than happy to share a copy with you. But for now, I'll move on and talk to you about what is really happening in a stem cell and how a stem cell is going to basically shift the paradigm of how we are going to practice medicine. The promise is here. The hype is here also. Unfortunately, it's going to take about 5 to 10 years for us to learn the tricks. We can really affect medicine like no other technology. People basically refer to a stem cell from a vantage point that the stem cell is going to really bring so many things like penicillin did. Every 100 years or so, humanity comes up with a really great idea. A stem cell is one of those ideas. Now, we know what stem cells can do, but we really don't understand the mechanism of action. We are learning. I have been in this racket since 1997, and we are learning every day. But I'm going to show you through some of the slides. We'll go over the science. And I have this slide here because I like to impress people when I'm in Asia that we live in this beautiful place we call Newport Beach. This is a building, it's California Initiative for Regenerative Medicine. The state of California, most of you that are residents of California voted for this project. We have $3 billion that is in the bank for us to basically use to do medical research. This is a UCI campus. I'm here often listening to lectures and working with the colleagues. This is, again, the campus. This is our laboratory. You see our staff working. Most of these are recent UCI graduates. I like to get these students early so we can train them. And I love their energy and their enthusiasm for what they want to do. This is a quick cartoon. Basically shows how stem cell divides. You have a sperm and egg. You have a fertilized egg, morula, and then we can get the inner cell mass, or what we call the blastocysts. And in our cell culture room, basically divide and differentiate these to different cell type, and then use this to treat patients. This is really the upcoming technology. This is a little bit blurry. But nevertheless, from an embryonic stage, you basically have 3 types of cells that evolve: is endoderm, mesoderm, and ectoderm, and then the rest of the cells and tissues and organs are developed from this process. Now, our company's core technology is regenerative medicine, and then we have a therapeutic or aesthetic division that is terminally product is based on that research. So we basically take the basic science that I shared with you and use these cells to grow